Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Celery is an asynchronous task queue/job queue that is based on distributed message passing. It is designed to handle asynchronous workloads, enabling you to run tasks in the background while your main application continues to run. This is particularly useful for applications that require long-running tasks, such as sending emails, processing files, or making API calls. High-level overview of Celery. 1. Components. Broker. A message broker is used to send and receive messages. Popular brokers include rabbitmq and redis. Workers. These are the processes that execute the tasks. You can have multiple workers to handle more tasks simultaneously. Tasks. Functions that are executed asynchronously. 2. Workflow. A task is defined in your application. A message is sent to the broker when the task is called. Workers listen for messages on the broker and pick up tasks to execute. Once the task is completed, the worker can return the result. 3. Use cases. Email notifications. Data processing. Scheduled tasks, cron jobs. Background processing for web applications. Installation. You can install Celery using pip. If you choose to use redis as your broker, you also need to install the redis library. Basic example. Here's a simple example to demonstrate how to set up and use Celery. 1. Set up redis. First, make sure you have redis running. You can download and install redis from redis.io, https://redis.io/download, or use Docker. 2. Create a Celery application. Let's create a file named tasks.py. 3. Running the Celery worker. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where tasks.py is located. Run the Celery worker with the following command. 4. Calling the task, create another Python file named run_tasks.py to call the Celery task. 5. Execute the task. You can run the run_tasks.py file to submit the task to the Celery worker. Explanation of the code. Celery instance. We create a Celery instance with the name tasks and configure it to use redis as the broker. Task definition. The add_app task decorator is used to define the add function as a Celery task. This function simulates a long-running task using time.sleep. Submitting the task, we use add.delay, 4, 6, to submit the task to the worker asynchronously. This returns an async result object that allows us to check the status of the task or retrieve the result later. Blocking call, result.get, timeout equals 10, is used to block and wait for the result, with a timeout to prevent waiting indefinitely. Conclusion. Celery is a powerful tool for handling asynchronous tasks in Python applications. By integrating Celery into your projects, you can improve the responsiveness of your application and handle long-running tasks efficiently. This tutorial provided a basic overview and an example to get you started. For more advanced usage, consider exploring features like task retries, scheduling, and monitoring with Flower.